This is booklet 50 of the 100. This is Picasso. I've done him a few times before, and I'll try not to repeat myself. Born 1881. This has no death date because he was alive when the book was published in the 60s. That is quite an unusual thing to see when it comes to books about Picasso. His book, most written after he died, of course. The background to Picasso is he's Spanish, and he was upset by the war in Spain, as shown by Guernica. He lived in France, became successful, and lived a fairly reckless life, and was not liked by all his relatives and the women who he was partnered with. And he left a legacy which has been marketed since. So there's a whole roller coaster ride with Picasso, and his early pictures are ordinary pictures, and then you get latterly to the Cubist pictures. There's not many in this book. This is a sort of very depressing art by Picasso, which we've talked about before. And then you have obviously various ways of tackling a portrait. That looks like Picasso. Let's see if it is. 2. Self-portrait, 1906. So he was exhibiting in, I'll start again. He was painting in London around 1920 because he came to London to paint stage sets. And we have some pictures by, real pictures, originals by Vladimir Polunin, who was his mate, his friend. They would paint these stage sets together. And he came to London, and I think he first exhibited his own work in London in 1929. So it goes back quite a long way, his activity in London. And obviously these are all pictures we know about. No point in looking up the names. The thing I will say about this one here is he's got the use of text on the picture, which is unusual. Both, in fact, have got this use of text. We all will think, well, some of us will all assume this is a modern 1980s thing or 20th century thing, but it was used by Picasso. I think Mondrian did it as well, from memory. So we flip back here to normal art. Very statuesque faces he uses. He's filling the canvas. The whole thing's full, corner to corner. Same with that one. Same with that one. Same with that one. It's not like a Canaletto where half of the picture is sky and another third of the picture is canal or lake. He's using shade in that one very well. I do like Picasso stuff, but only some of it. I would say I would only like 20% of Picasso stuff. I would say I hate 60% of it. That's just a sort of stab in the dark. Guernica is a much bigger picture than you would believe if you haven't seen it in Spain in the Prado Museum. It is bigger than the side of a double-decker bus. It's a huge thing. Okay, Picasso, thank you.